Okay guys, this is Niley12 here, and today I'm going to show you how to make clickable annotations on your YouTube videos, plus how to make them link to a certain point of time. Go to a video and press annotation. Just so you know, if this tutorial goes a little bit too fast, then you can see our other video that will be linked in the upper right hand corner. Okay. First you need to press add annotation, then we can just call it, wait a minute, okay, the end of the video. Okay, then we press link, insert the video link, and press box T equals to 5M20S, and then it will link to 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Look, yeah, it worked. Then you can just press open the window or keep it in the same window, press save, publish, and then we can check the results. Look, okay, and here the annotation comes, and it worked. It is especially good when you are doing tutorials, because then you can use them to link to certain point of time. Okay guys, this has been Niley12 here, and I'm out. Hello again guys. I just want to tell you that if you wanted some other tutorials, then you can just post them in the comments below, and then I'll try my best to make them. Okay guys? Please rate the video if you liked it, and comment on it. Okay, see ya.
Beast mode, give me those beats, I eat those all day, I don't sleep, no.